how to make passive income with $1,000. So welcome to the video, guys, and we're just going to jump right into it. So first thing we're going to be talking about here is number one, dividend stocks. You know, this is one of the easiest things, and sorry about the ring light. I just noticed the ring light is in the video, but you know, I'm just going to be talking anyway, and you can just listen to me. So the first thing is, you know, what is a dividend stock? A dividend stock is essentially you giving a company, you give them your $1,000, and they pay you a percent back. As in, you know, we got GAP here, ticker symbol GAP. They give you 5.66%. They've been paying for 34 years straight. And if you buy it before January 7th, you will get paid $14.19. So what this means is this is considered the ex-dividend date, and on January 7th, and if you purchase it before that date, you will get paid this amount for every three months. So you're going to be getting, for your $1,000, you put your $1,000 in Gap, which is the clothing company. I assume that you know what Gap is. You'll be getting paid $14.19 every 3 months for doing absolutely nothing. You know, passive income is something that is, you know, it gets addicting, you know. And I would recommend that you do this in a retirement account like a Roth IRA, traditional IRA. If you don't know what that is, I'll probably come out with a video, or you can find one on YouTube. There's plenty of them out. And so on to the next stock. So this next stock is AT&T. I'm very heavily into AT&T right now, and according to this website that I use, which is Dividata, you can get on and you can look for yourself. Dividata, they've got ex-dividend dates. They give you the dates and all kinds of different things that is very helpful, and they rate the stocks for you, give you like the top. They rate them from a 0 to a 4, and they rate the dividends, the stocks, how they pay based on their years paid and how much they pay and all that good stuff. So it's a very useful site. You ought to check it out. I'll probably leave a link to it down in the description below. So AT&T, they pay 5.35%. They've been paying for the past 35 years, and if you buy the stock before January 9th, you will get $13.36, and you'll be getting that every 3 months, which is very good. Number 2 on the list, we've got index funds. So what is an index fund? An index fund is it's a sector of the market. Say you've got like 100 companies, and it's all about energy, finance, consumer, such as, you know, clothes, things like that. Tech, you know, Apple, Microsoft, companies like that. And what an index fund does is it takes all those companies and it puts them into one fund, okay? So you can choose one of these index funds, or you can just choose an index fund such as the S&P 500, which has got all of them put together. Over the years, people who have invested in index funds has beat people who have managed funds such as like Berkshire Hathaway, places like that. Which I don't know if Berkshire Hathaway is a pretty good one. So, and if you want to put your money in that, that's a pretty good one too, in my opinion. Just for an example, VFIAX is managed by Vanguard. They're a pretty good one, and you know I've got a little bit in my Roth IRA in that one, and I'll probably pull up my Roth IRA right about now, and I should be scrolling through it, kind of showing you what I got, you know, a little bit. I don't know. I don't have VFIAX in it actually. I don't know. I might, but there it is right there. 3, which is REITs, real estate investment trusts. So what is a REIT? A REIT is a company that deals in real estate, and they pay you a percentage of profits. They pay like 90%. They get a big tax advantage because they're paying out most of their profits. So what is an example of one? So Realty Income, ticker symbol O, you can check them out. They're a great company. They've been paying for 25 years consecutively. They pay monthly, and the think about this: you put $1,000 in this REIT in Realty Income, and you'll be getting paid $3.17 every single month for doing nothing. You'll get that $3.17 every single month that you just created. Okay, so you do that with another $1,000, then it gets up to $10 a month. Then it's gonna, that can pay a bill. Then it can pay another bill. And you know, you slowly start increasing, and that's how you get the passive income and compound interest and all that, and all those things working for you. Now, something that's bad about owning a REIT, you know, is you don't get the tax benefits. You can't use tax write-offs because you own a stock, a share. You don't own a physical piece of property, so you can't use the tax exempts. So that's the only con about it. Number 4, bonds. So what is a bond? A bond is essentially when if you give a company $1,000, they're going to be paying you a percentage of that. So, for example, you have your first, you give them your $1,000. The first year they give you $100, and then second year $100, third year $100, fourth year $100, and then the bond will mature at your fifth year, and they will give you back your original amount of money, which is $1,000. So every year you're getting that money, and that's going to be extra money that you get paid at the end. So bonds are as long as the company doesn't go bankrupt, you're great. So bonds are probably one of the safest investments that is out there. If you're looking to buy some bonds, Vanguard, they offer some pretty good bond funds. They're probably one of the best places to look for them. So if I had to recommend one, I would recommend Vanguard. Number 5, YouTube. So in order to make money on YouTube, there's a couple different ways, and I'm going to go on number 6 is another way. I might as well go ahead and write it on here. So affiliate marketing is another way that you can make money off of YouTube. And in order to monetize your videos, which is where you can put ads, like you'll see the skippable ads that play in the beginning, or you'll see them in the middle of the video or at the end, then or you'll see the ones at the bottom, like below your recommended videos. That's at the bottom. You'll see an ad there sometimes. But in order to do that, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 watch time hours. So that's relatively, or actually it might be, yeah, it's 4,000 watch time hours, which, I mean, once you get 1,000 subs, that 4,000 I think would probably ramp up pretty quickly. But like as of right now, I haven't uploaded a lot of videos, so I've only got like 100 watch time hours or something like that. So it would take a while to get there, and like, you know, it just depends how fast your channel's growing, and I think once you get to that point, you're going to be making enough money to where it's actually kind of getting worth your time. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys have stayed till the end. If you did, don't forget to drop a subscribe or drop a like, whatever, dislike, whatever you want. Comment below, let me know what you think. If there's anything else you want me to go into more detail about that we went over, just hit me up in the comments, do whatever, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.